Not sure how to use your Carrier AC remote? Model number RFL-0601. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. The on-off button powers your Carrier AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. Press the flap button to adjust the swing of the air outlet louvers. Each press changes the airflow direction up or down, or activates automatic swing for even air distribution. Press the clock button to set the current time on the remote. Use the hour and minute buttons to adjust the time, then confirm the setting. Press the Everyday button to set a daily timer schedule, allowing the air conditioner to automatically turn on or off at the same time every day. Press the Hour button to adjust the hour setting when setting the clock or programming the timer functions. Press the Minute button to adjust the minute setting when setting the clock or programming the timer functions. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer On button to start the on-time sequence. Use the hour or minute buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer On function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m. and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer Off button to start the off time sequence. Use the hour or minute buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer Off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. Press the Reserve button to program a reservation timer, which allows the air conditioner to automatically start or stop at your preset time. Press the Cancel button to clear or deactivate any set timer or reservation function, returning the air conditioner to normal operation. The TA button is typically used for special or test functions, mainly by service technicians. In some models, it may activate auxiliary features or diagnostic modes that are not part of normal daily operation. If your Carrier AC remote isn't working properly, the Reset button can restore it to factory settings. Just press the Reset pinhole, usually with a pin or paperclip, and the remote will reboot, clearing any errors or glitches. Press and hold the Temperature Down arrow button and the Mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Carrier AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.